Hello, you are welcome once again to my YouTube channel, Summer Clothing. Today we are going to learn how to pipe a kaftan neckline. The link has been posted at the description bottom of this video. It leads you to how to cut a simple kaftan top. So if you have not learned that, please click on the link to watch that video. So now, the first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to cut the fabric that we'll be using for the piping. So now we have the fabric here, and we are going to cut it in a bias form. We are going to cut the fabric in a bias form, and this is how it is being folded. You see how it is being folded to get the stretchy part of it. You see, this part has not stretched, and that's not the place that we use for the piping, but we rather fold it in a bias form to get it to stretch, to get a perfect piping. So now we are going to cut it according to the length or the circumference of the neck, and I'm taking 1.5 inch 1.5 inch for the wideness, but I don't know that we are going to fold it once again, so the 1.5 is going to reduce. So now I'm counting. You see that we have gotten it in the bias form. So now we are going to fold it into two, but we first fold this part to touch the middle line. Don't forget to press it. So we are ironing it to touch the middle line on both sides. After that, you do the same thing at the other side. After folding, you place your hemming stiff in between them, and please make sure the hemming stiff touches the edges of it. As I'm doing it, I'm making sure that the hemming stiff touches the edges of the place or the part that I've folded. So after that, I press it down. After pressing it, we are going to fold it again, but when folding, one part is supposed to be longer than the other. They are not supposed to be equal. Good. So as you can see, one part should be shorter than the other. So now we are done with it. So we are going to stitch it to the neck. So now we are going to stitch it. Please make sure where you are starting, you place the neck in between the fabric that we have folded using for the piping. Make sure it is being placed in between it. And please make sure the shorter part is at the top. Don't forget, when we were folding, I said one part should be longer or one part should be shorter than the other one. So the shorter part of it is being at the top, and the longer one will be beneath or under. And please, when you are stitching, make sure you rather turn the fabric that you are using for the piping. As I'm doing it, don't make it straight, but you rather turn it. So watch in the video, no, not like this, but rather you turn it, how it is being done. So you carefully stitch them together. So now we are almost done with the stitching. So this is how it's going to look like at the end of it. So now we are going to iron the neck just like this, just in this position, not like that, but rather like this. So make sure you press it down or you iron it very well. So as you are ironing, you turn the neck to get it round, to get the round shape as it is being done in the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Summerson Clothing. Share for others to benefit from this video. So you see how the ironing is being done. This is how it is. Like, so at the end of the day, it is going to lie down very well. It's going to be lie down flat very well. If you do the ironing well, that is the result that you're going to get. So now let us see how it's going to look like. We are almost done with the iron. So this is how our neck is going to look like. So beautiful and so simple. Please, once again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for me, and please share the link or share the video for others to benefit. Good. Thank you for watching once again, and see you next time. Bye bye.